Hey guys, so it's no secret that I love to cook for my family, right? I love to make things from scratch, which takes a lot of time. I like to garden and grow our own food and all those things. And I don't tell you this because, oh my goodness, look at me, I do all the things. No, it's just nutrition has always been a priority in our family. We raised our kids on as much food that we could grow and preserve, and we just like to know where our food comes from. In this day and age, we don't know what they're spraying on it, all the things. If nutrition is important to you, you know what I'm talking about, right? So I cook everything from scratch, which takes time, but I love to do it. You know, it's a gift. I love to cook, I love to create, I love to try new things. I like to perfect old things and give traditional things a new twist. But all of that takes time, right? So we're coming up on wanting to build our dream home, our retirement home, our forever, never have to move again home. And I have designed it, I have blueprints, I am ready to go, and the only thing holding us back is not having the cash flow. Because another thing that is very important to us is not having debt. We have, excuse the dog back there. Anyway, not having debt has been such a burden lift. You know, when we first started our marriage, we both came in, so it was 26 years ago, we both came in with a little bit and we worked hard to pay it off. And then we started having kids, and you know, sometimes you gotta have a credit card and blah, blah, blah. Sometimes you have to live on your credit card. We know how that is too. So for the last 10 years, we have been debt free, and we do not plan on, in our so close to retirement age, taking on a mortgage. So our plan is to cash flow it. So the only thing holding us back is not having the cash. So here I am creating an online business with this digital blueprint that has helped me set it up step by step. I have not needed any outside guidance from their step-by-step program. It has walked me through it all. So here I am, 3 weeks in, and I'm finally getting the hang of it. It takes me a little longer than some younger people might have, or somebody with experience. But I'm here to tell you that if you also don't want to change your lifestyle, don't want to change the daily things you do so that you can go work for somebody else for pennies, this might be it for you. I'm excited. I'm excited for this to take off. So, I don't know. If you have any questions, there is a webinar tonight if you want to learn more with somebody else who can speak better than me. But let me know. Let me know if you want to know more. I will answer any questions I can. But I'm loving this 2-hour workday. Literally, I drink my coffee while I do my 2 hours of income creating business. And then I go about my day and I bake bread and I make tasty treats and dinner for my family. And I don't want to change that. So here I am, unlocking the secrets to this digital world, and I would love to help you do it for yourself. Let me know in the comments if you would like more information.